from Micaiah. This is my dad's restaurant. We've been here for like 7 years.
I've been doing a lot of food with you. This place #1. I didn't even taste it yet, but I don't have to taste it to know it tastes good. Right? Man, stop playing with me.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica on me. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah, the journey unfold. Press record, make the story get told. A lifestyle flex, step out neat. Lando stay crisp, clean drip. Lion on more, God bless me. Steps from the cap to the gym, energy never less.
Alright people, shalom, shalom. We back with another one. You see this spot. If it looks familiar, that's because it's Roots Bar and Cafe. We've been here before. We had the curry fish. We had the bang bang snapper. We had the brown stew snapper. We had a little bit of everything. We know all that is good. But one thing I didn't have was the conch, right? So I said, yo, I need to test out your conch, see if you're the #1 conch killer in the city. But right now, Roots is winning. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. If you in Fort Lauderdale, come check out Roots. Roots Bar and Cafe. Over here up in Tamarack. What's the address? 7168. I don't even know the address. That's University 7168 Northwest University Drive. I think that's the address. I know that's 7168. Come check them out. I'm about to check out their conch. I have high expectation for the conch. But everything else, but I had their soup. Plant-based red pea soup. It was crazy good. And I come back here on a regular. So I wanted to test out their conch. The conch is cooked to order, so you gotta call it in. So I said, yo, I need that conch. So I come back for the conch. That's all it is. We're just reviewing the conch. Y'all come test them out. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Come check them out and tell me if I'm wrong. My taste buds is crazy.
Prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle
Ready?
tracking, Jamaica on me. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah, the journey unfold. Press record, make the story get told. A lifestyle flex, step out neat. Lando stay crisp, clean.
People, the soup look good. We're gonna see what the flavor test is. I have high expectations. I'm not gonna lie. I probably can eat anything here. They probably can cook freaking board on. They season it, and I know it's gonna taste good. I have high expectations. I don't know if I'm biased or not, but the food good. I've been doing a lot of food with you. This place is #1 right now. Yes, the general. See, I knew it. I knew it. It's so good. Oh my goodness. When they say slap your mama, you gotta slap your mama. This soup is good. Man, they have the banana there with the skin. I love that. The skin bring a different thing to it. It's got banana, corn. Oh man, this is good. I'm not gonna lie. Well seasoned, well flavored. Almost like even like a burnt taste, like it with like cold skin type taste. Not burnt, but roast. I don't know what he put in here, but it's all fish. It's just fish. Nothing else. I just asked the chef what kind of fish you using here, guys. He said grouper and snapper. You know, grouper is real meaty, so he's giving that. For a second, I had to make sure it wasn't meat, but that's that grouper. Food good. Food good. Oh my goodness. I'm not exaggerating. Come check them out. This, if you come here and the food not good, I'll pay for it. Just tell them prime time London. I'm telling you. Send me a Thank you. What exactly is this?
Cucumber, green apple,
cucumber, green apple, and pineapple. If you're a king, if you're royalty, come here. This the root is where it starts. I know it's good. Everything else been good. Why would they go wrong on this? Let's see. I'll give you an honest opinion. I'm not gonna lie to you. I saw her made it with the juice over there, actually. This is so refreshing. This is refreshing. They trying to. I'm about to be full before I even get my conch. You slow down. This is refreshing. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they have a good one.
You too.
All right, people. We got the food. We got the food. I tell you, Roots take care of you. They treat you like a king. What we having is? What is chef? Chef, come in, chef. Come in. Come in. You can explain. You know what's in here? Either way, people, it look good. We got conch, okra. Well, let me fix up the camera. Make sure you see what I want. We got conch, okra, broccoli. Oh my goodness. Pumpkin. Oh my goodness. Man. Steam, don't you know? See him so. No joke. Come in, chef. Come in. Come in. Yes, for General. Come on, people. We about to have the chef explain what we have. You gotta make sure you look right. All right. Light up yourself. The chef, you're supposed to look like you're working. You're good.
Yeah, man.
What we have here, chef?
So today, right now, we have the steam conch. You understand the steam conch with okra, pumpkin, Irish, and then we have the corn in it. You know what I'm saying? That it goes with the broccoli. You know, our steam anything is the best in South Florida, in the world. We don't care now. We're not competing with anybody. We're just letting you know honestly how we feel about our food. Because we bring that love, and that's how we got to show. Roots with love. Support us, patronize us. We're here.
Restaurant, right? All right, bye-bye. That's your dad, so this is your restaurant. You know how to cook? All right. I want to taste your cooking next time. Yes, people. I didn't even taste it yet, but I don't have to taste it to know it tastes good. Right? Man, stop playing with me. It's so refreshing. They got me eating healthy over here. That's the right way. So you know, a lot of the time, healthy don't really taste good. But yeah, people, this is the owner right here. Tell the people, what's your name?
My name is Micaiah, and AKA Kai, but y'all can call me Micaiah. This is my dad's restaurant. We've been here for like 7 years, and I want to show some love. That means y'all should come in our restaurant. It will be amazing.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you hear the people. You hear that's the owner. You know, that's the next generation. But we're gonna go in and taste this food, by the way. I'm ready. Father God, I was just gonna bless this food. I blessed my food already. I don't know, but we're gonna bless this food. But this will be a healing, blessing and healing to my body. And then we are sure. Amen. All right, let's go. Irish first. Yo.
Nice.
Oh my God! Wow!
Just the Irish people. I didn't even taste the conch yet. Flavor. Party on my tongue right now. Why for that? That not sound right. But the food tastes good. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Hands down. Hands down. I've never had conch taste like this. Usually, you know, we don't really, as Jamaican, we don't really deal with conch like that. The most I've had conch is fried conch. I had curry and brown stew in Jamaica, but it wasn't all that. This right here, nigga. This right here, bud. Yo, the conch bud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And he got it from grandma.
Oh, what you say he got it from that's his grandma recipe. It's not him. Ah, I got you. It's not his recipe.
No, he did it.
Gra-
But it passed down to him.
and it's gonna pass down to you. Big up. Next generation of people, the food is so good. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to the chef. Every time I come here, the chef take care of me. I have nothing bad to say about this. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you watch my channel, I don't give out over 8. It's very rare. 8.5 is the biggest. Right now we at a 10. I'm letting you know. Come over here. Come over here. I know it's good. If you don't like this food, something wrong with your taste bud. Yo, let's say it's bussin'. Yeah, as the American say, yo, this bussin'. This is bussin'. It's fire. I believe you. People, the food is good. I'm not gonna lie, man. Food good. I don't got much to say. Food good. Just come check them out. Roots Bar and Cafe. My food review people, come check them out. Prove me wrong. I'm gonna say prove me wrong. But the food is good, man. Either way, man. Roots Bar and Cafe. What's the address again?
Address? What's the address?
People, I'm gonna give you the address. For the conch, you have to call it in still. The conch is not just pop up. You gotta call it in. I'm about an hour. Call in an hour ahead for the conch preparation. But the conch is, oh my gosh. Let me tell you something. Everything here on the menu is good. I'll come here on the regular for the red pea soup, plant-based. I don't eat meat. So that's good. I just had their fish soup. That's good. I had their bang bang fish. That's good. Curry fish. That's good. Brown stew fish. That's good. The pasta. I had the pasta too. Come on, man. Come check them out. Let me give you the address right now. 7168 North University Drive, Tamarack, Florida. 33321. There we go. Roots Bar and Cafe. People, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share. Come check these people out, man. The food is good. I'm not gonna lie to you. The food is great.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road, truck them rolling, blessings overload. From God to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold.